Every day you open your favorite iPhone apps, but you waste time doing the exact same steps again and again. Today I'm showing you an extremely simple but super underrated iPhone feature that you can use every single day. It saves time, cuts annoying steps, and makes your iPhone feel twice as fast, and it works with almost every app you use. Here's what I'm talking about. Long pressing app icons on the home screen. Not to delete them, but to use the quick actions hidden inside every app. Most people open the camera, then swipe left or right to find the mode they want. But why waste time? Just tap and hold the camera icon, choose video, selfie, portrait, or portrait selfie. Boom, the camera opens directly in the mode you need, one tap, instant. For the clock, tap and hold the clock, instantly create alarm, start stopwatch, or start timer. No need to open the app and hunt for the right tab. For the calendar as well, tap and hold calendar, add event immediately. Perfect for quick reminders. Photos, tap and hold photos, jump straight to the most recent, favorites, 1 year ago, and more. Fast and perfect for finding old memories. Settings, this one saves so much time. Tap and hold settings, directly open Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, or battery. No scrolling, no searching. App Store, tap and hold App Store, go straight to updates, search, or redeem. If you're checking for updates every day, this is a lifesaver. Calculator, tap and hold calculator, copy last result instantly. You don't even need to open the app. Gmail, this one is for daily email users. Tap and hold Gmail, compose right away, no extra steps. ChatGPT, even ChatGPT has this. Tap and hold, start new chat, dictate, or voice mode, super quick. And here's why you should use this feature every day. It saves time, one tap instead of 3 or 4. Skips annoying steps, jump straight to the part you need. Works with most apps, including your daily essentials, makes your iPhone feel faster and smarter. So yes, this feature is simple but extremely underrated. Start using long press quick actions on your iPhone and I promise you'll never go back. Let me know which app surprised you the most, and if you want more iPhone hidden tricks like this, make sure to follow for the next one.